Assalamu-Alikum and welcome back. So our today topic is about combination. So what is combination? A combination is a subset or an arrangement of all or part of the object of a single set without regarding the order of the objects. The total number of possible combination of a set of objects taken all at a time is 1. For example, the possible arrangement from the set of letters AB are AB and BA. Since the order of arrangement is disregarded, arrangement AB is the same as BA. Thus, there is only one combination A and B possible for the set. So, इसका फॉर्मूला देख लेते हैं कि कम्बिनेशन को कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं. जैसे हमने परमुटेशन को फार्मूले के थ्रू डिस्कस किया था, सिमिलरली हम कॉम्बिनेशन को भी फार्मूले की मदद से सॉल्व करेंगे. सो दिस इज NCR which is equals to NPR whole divided by R factorial. Or we can say that in factorial and whole divided by R factorial into n minus r factorial, n minus r whole factorial. So this is how we can easily calculate the combination. Here n is the number of object of a set of in a given set, and r is the number of object taken at a time for each combination. So NCR is the total number of combination of n objects taken r at a time. So how we can solve the question? Let's take an example. N is 20. Then C, and what is R? Let's take R as a 3. So how can we calculate this example? So 20 factorial, according to the formula, 20 factorial, or we can say n factorial. N is 20, so 20 factorial divided by r factorial. What is r? R is 3. 3 factorial and 20 minus 3, because 20 is n or n minus r, so r is 3, so 20 minus 3 whole factorial. So 20 factorial, or we can say 20, we can write in this way as well. 20 into 19 into 18 into 17 factorial and divided by 3 factorial and 17 factorial. 3 factorial and 17 factorial. So 17 के साथ कैंसिल हो जाएगा, जो कि 17 factorial के साथ कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So the remaining part is 20 into 19 into 3, because this is 3 factorial, or we can say 3 to 1. Write it in this way: 3, 2 or 1. Three to 1, 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 और 18 जो है कैंसिल आउट हो जाएंगे. फिर 2 के साथ कैंसिलिंग हो जाएगी इसकी. 6 आ जाएगा यहाँ पर, और 6 2 के साथ कैंसिल आउट करेंगे तो 2 3 are 6, तो रिमेनिंग हमारे पास यहाँ पर 3 बचता है, 3 आ जाएगा. So the whole answer is 1140, 114 and 0. Let's take one other example. Combination of 12 and 3. This is the second example. So 12 factorial in divided by 3 factorial into 12 minus 3 factorial. So this is equals to 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 9 factorial. So this is 3 factorial 3 into 2 into 1 into 12 minus 3, which is 9. 9 factorial. So 9 factorial and 9 factorial both are cancelled out. Three one the 3 3, 4 the 12, and 2 1 the 2, 2 5 the 10. So the answer is 4 11, 4 into 11 into 5, which is equals to 220 ways. So how many ways for the combination? There are 220 ways to calculate the combination. This is an example. And this is also an example. Example 2, and this is example 1. And this is formula. Next is definition of probability. Mathematical or priori or classical definition. In some cases, we can count exactly the different ways in which a given event may or may not happen and can assume that all possible ways will occur on an equally likely basis. The probability under such cases and assumption is called classical probability, priori probability, or mathematical probability. For equally likely, exhaustive or mutually exclusive cases, the probability of the happening of an event A is defined as the ratio of the favorable cases for the event of the total number of cases. Thus, if the number of cases favorable to event A is m out of n equally likely, mutually exclusive and exhaustive cases, then probability of A equals to, or we can say the formula is P of A equals to favorable cases for A divided by total number of cases. Or we can write it in this way as well, like m, which is the favorable cases, and divided by n, which is the total number of cases. So if the probability of the non-occurrence of the event A or not A, let's take write it, probability of A, इसको हम प्रेजेंट कर लेते हैं A bar से. So probability of A bar equals to total number of favorable cases, total number of cases minus favorable cases, which is m, n minus m, and whole divided by n. Or we can write it in this way as well. like 1 minus m minus m by n, or we can say that 1 minus p of a, probability of a. So probability of a bar, a bar is equals to 1 minus probability of a. So the probability of success and the probability of failure is always equal to 1. How? We can write it in this way: probability of A which is probability of A, or we can say this is probability of success, plus probability of failure, or we can say probability of A bar. Probability of A bar equals to 1.